Hello everyone. Today I have got something really cool for you. If you ever wanted to spice up your website and stand out from the crowd, you are in for a treat. In this video I will show you how to add a custom cursor to your website using a fantastic plugin on WordPress. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and ring the bell to stay updated on all things web design. Now let's dive right into the magic of custom cursor. And if you are tired of the same old cursor and want to give your website a unique touch, this is the perfect solution. So do not click away because I am about to guide you through the entire process. First thing first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Now the plugin we are going to use is called WP Custom Cursor. And trust me, it's a game changer for adding that personal touch to your site. Installing the plugin is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Once it's activated, you will have a whole array of customizing options at your fingertips. But first of all, just install the plugin. Go to the plugin, click on Add New, and in the search bar type WP Custom Cursor. And that's the plugin we need to install. So just click on Install Now and activate the plugin. Go to the setting and let's have some fun. You can choose from a variety of pre-made cursors or even upload your own custom design. It's a fantastic way to align your website aesthetics with your brand or personal style. So click here. From changing the cursor icon to adding cool animation, this plugin gives you a complete control. And you can select these all of the cursor types. And I think I need this. You can choose any of the type that you want, that you like. Click on Next. You can select its color according to your website. And from here you can control like hide custom cursor on tablet and mobile. And from here blending mode and cursor size. All these changes are fine for me. How my cursor will looks like, and it is pretty good. So click on next, and here I want to show my cursor to entire website. So for that, click on save cursor, and that's my cursor now. That's my website before refreshing the page, and that's my cursor. Just refresh the page and see how our custom cursor now looks like. And it's now looks like that. And just like that, your website has a fresh new look. Visitor will be pleasantly surprised by this subtle yet impactful detail. It's the little things that make a big difference in web design. And if you want to create cursor, click here, and from here click on create, so that from here you can create your custom. And from here you can select custom cursor type. If you select image, then you need to upload the image that you want to use as a cursor, and you can adjust its width, then background, and you can also select cursor as a text like that, and you can change the text from here. You see this one, see you, and from here you can adjust it according to your desire. And you can create cursor type, shape, and you can adjust like inner circle width and height and its color like this inner circle. And then here click on save cursor, but it is available for the pro users. You can also do this without the plugin, but you need an extra CSS code using Elementor Pro plugin. In my case, I will use just a free custom cursor that is already given. So yeah, there you have it, a quick and easy way to add a custom cursor to your website using WordPress plugin. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow website creators. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more exciting web design tips. Until next time, happy designing, and I will see you in the next video.